Good day, everyone. You have the Bub031 here again, and it's time for an unboxing. I just picked this up today from Go VR Go Home when he went down to OVR. I'm going to show you what's inside. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now that the intro's out of the way, let's unbox and show you what's inside. I got my scissors here, as you can see. Oh. So just bear with me for a sec. So we have a box right here. So we have the Hudson H1B 464 Empress 2816. It actually has this on the brown box, but I was just going to keep it from you guys just to give you the suspense. And now we're going to open this. So you got your beautiful wooden box, like such. Like, wow. You know what? With this, give me a minute, folks. I'll be right back. I'm going to put some gloves on so I don't smudge the paint in the box. All right. I now have my gloves, as you can see. Let's get this out of the plastic. This is a very beautiful box. Nice hardwood finish. You got the brass nameplate on the front, 2816, Rapido Trains Inc. Let's open it up. So, oh wow. So, you have the manual in French and in English that comes with it. You have what's coming in the future. Basically, the deluxe sleepers, so that you can actually make a Royal Canadian Pacific. So you have Empress. You got the Dome lounge car that's coming shortly. You got the E-Sleeper, well, the Deluxe Sleeper, my apologies. Lots coming. We also have your exploded parts diagram here. I thought there was, I was sure there were stickers with this, I guess not. And then we have the unit. You got your bits here with the tool to change out your drive wheels, as you can see here. We have the tender right here. And the locomotive itself. Alright. I'm going to now pull this out of the box and we will quickly just show you. So, I did get them out of the cradles now, so I'm just going to show you. Here's the engine. And there's the tender. As well, I did find out where the stickers were. The stickers are actually in the manual. So as you can see, like so. But yeah, we are now going to wrap this up. So that's going to be it for this quick unboxing of 2816, the Empress. I am going to be doing a review on this later this week, and I will be also getting the sound bites for this. That way there, when the review comes out, it's ready to go, which will be the week after. So hopefully everyone all enjoyed. There's going to be more videos to come. Thank you for watching. And as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.